Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time joining, I'm Gatanjali from Queens, New York City. And on this platform, I vlog about my travel experience, either in New York City or around the world. Today is March 31st, 2024, and it's my 5th day in Queenstown, New Zealand. So hello, hopefully you all were able to somehow look at my other vlogs that I did during my vacation here. So today basically is just a chilled and relaxed day. I am on vacation. So this hotel I'm staying at has a spa. I'm definitely gonna explore that, then head into the city. I haven't mentioned much about the city, but the hotels, most of the hotels are located about 15-minute walking distance outside of the town slash city in Queenstown. That's where all the bars, the restaurants, the art gallery, the seaport, everything is around here, around there. So it's fairly close. It's just that you have to walk up a little hill. But if you take your time, it all works out, or take a cab or Uber, but it could be expensive. Highly recommend walking, and it's doable. Yeah, so definitely that's where all, like I said, all the really cool things are happening. So totally love Queenstown, New Zealand. It's really chill, a lot to do, a lot of outdoor activities, as well as simultaneously, relaxing activities like dining, just like sitting on the bench, taking a boat in the lake, and all that good stuff. So yeah, thanks again, and come along and enjoy with me. Looks like I have a spa for all myself, which is pretty impressive. It's about 11 a.m. and super excited to go in there. Oh my god, I just had the best Bombay grilled chicken sandwich at Ferburger. So that's like the place that everybody goes to eat, and when you're in Queenstown, New Zealand. So it was amazing. Woo! It was a bit spicy, but oh my god, it hit the spot. So this is like the area where all the restaurants and bars and stuff are. It's pretty chill. Kind of reminds me of a little of South Street Seaport in New York City by the water. But however, I feel like New Zealand is much nicer. Sorry, New York City. It was a beautiful afternoon, and here I am exploring Queenstown, New Zealand Gardens. The scenery is just amazing. It's approaching autumn right now, so it's just like gorgeous. I really think it's much nicer compared to like most of the gardens I have seen in the northern hemisphere. So is New Zealand, the nature vibe is just lovely here. Hey everyone, I really hope you enjoyed my vlog today in Queenstown, New Zealand. I was pretty chilled, just did a little local things in the heart of Queenstown, like going to Ferburger. Definitely had such a delicious chicken burger there, and did some walking around in the city. Came back to my hotel, had a nice meal, and I also went to Queenstown Garden, which is real nice. And I got myself a treat. Yeah, one more thing. Yep, I was able to kind of see the sunset. So one more full day in Queenstown before I say goodbye. But I really hope you're enjoying my vlogs. Been having such a great time here. Vacation is awesome. The Kiwis are amazing, and there's so much beautiful things to do in New Zealand. And thanks again for your support on this platform. Bye.